Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Google Trends to validate seasonal SEO opportunities. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to trends.google.com. On the Google Trends homepage, you'll see a search bar at the top. Enter a keyword or topic relevant to your niche to begin your research. Hit the enter key or click on the search icon to proceed. Once the results load, take note of the graph shown on the page. This graph illustrates the interest over time for your chosen keyword. You can adjust the time frame using the options provided, such as the past 12 months or 5 years. Scroll down to see related queries and topics for further insights. Explore the trending searches section for real-time data. Next, click on Compare to analyze multiple keywords simultaneously. Enter additional keywords in the comparison search bar. Observe how each keyword's popularity fluctuates over time. This information helps you identify seasonal trends in your niche. To refine your search, use the filters for location, category, or search type. Use the regional interest map to learn where your keywords are most popular. Take screenshots or notes of significant trends for your reference. Analyze the data to pinpoint seasonal peaks and low points. Look for consistent patterns that align with specific seasons or holidays. These insights will guide your content strategy and keyword selection. Once you've gathered your data, integrate these keywords into your SEO plan. Regularly check Google Trends to stay updated on shifts in interest. Utilize these tools to keep your content relevant year-round. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.